Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we'll be sharing a very important information of DCET Counselling 2024 dates. So which and all dates will be there for option entry, mock allotment, like that, seat allotment. So when will be seat allotment, this and all will be tentative dates, guys, what I will be telling. Documents verification procedure, so this is very important. So we will show you document verification procedure step by step, and we will tell you what and all documents needed for document verification. So each and everything will be covered in this video, guys. And guys, watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this document verification procedure. So as you all know that, so DCET have announced the result. So this is very surprising that DCET has announced result this much early. So every time they will take 1 month, 1.5 month, like that, but this time they have released the result within 1 week, because as you all know that KCET counseling also going on, so they want to do parallelly KCET also and DCET also. So as you know, this is a phase 1 of DCET, so that's why they want to finish as early as possible. So in this video you can expect what and all documents you need to have while your document verification. So everything will cover you, guys. And guys, this is a very important thing. So this is the first step of your counseling. So we'll tell you what and all steps will come in counseling, like option entry, seat allotment, mock allotment, reporting college. So each and everything will be covered in this video, guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. In our future videos you can expect we will show you how to do the option entry, so that is very important. So that also will be showing. So each and everything will be telling in this channel. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. So let us start our video. DCET Counselling 2024 Detailed Procedure. So the first step is DCET registration and document verification. So as you all know that, so document verification dates are out. So from 2nd July, based on your rank, you have to go for document verification, and the centers also announced. So for first day, from 1 to 10,000 ranking, 1 to 5,000 ranking. For second day, 5 to 10,000 ranking, and third day 10,000 to 17,000, like that. They have announced one schedule. You can check the schedule in KEA official website. So the first step is that document verification. So this is very important. So candidates have to reach the DCET counseling venue along with the required documents. Applicants must carry the compulsory documents in their original along with 2 sets of photocopies. The authority concerned will check all the documents. If all the documents were found correct, then the candidate will get a slip which will have a unique ID and password. So document verification. Why this document verification? Because you will get a verification slip. In that secret key code you will get. With that only you can do option. So this is very important. So guys, make sure you will you carry original documents also and 2 set of copies. But I will tell you to have a 3 set of copies. One for document verification, and one for college, and one you can keep for yourself for future reference. So still I will tell you in detail in our next slides what and all documents needed. DCET choice filling and locking. So after document verification, you need to fill the choice, like whichever college you want to have, like that. So that's why they have mentioned after DCET document verification, the candidates will have to log into their account using a unique ID and password. After that, candidates will have to full their preference of college and courses. A candidate shall be able to check the course wise, category wise and college wise seat matrix at the time of choice filling. So candidates are advised to select the preference carefully. However, a candidate can modify, add or delete the choices in every round of DCET 2024 counseling. So there will be 2 rounds, guys. So make sure you have an idea like which college you want to select, like that. So in our option entry video, we'll be showing you each and everything, like how you can select a college, like that. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. So the third step is seat allotment. So after selecting each and every college, there will be a first round result, mock round result, second round result, like that. So the third step is, I think I think you got to know seat allotment result. So the seat allotment result of DC 2024 will be released at the official website. Candidates have to log into their accounts in order to download the DCET seat allotment letter. The seat allotment letter of DC 2024 comprises information such as allotted college, reporting data, etc. and the fourth step is reporting to the allotted college. So the first step is document verification, second step is choice filling, option entry, third step is seat allotment result, and the fourth step is reporting to the college. So in order to confirm admission, candidates need to report to the allotted college on the mentioned date and time. Candidates are advised to carry the other required documents along with the DCET counseling allotment letter to the college for the purpose of verification. So that's why what and all document verification you will be giving, right, while doing the document verification. So one set you have to keep for college, so as I told earlier. So I think you are clear now how this DCET counseling will happen. So now let us discuss what and all documents required for DCET counseling 2024. So DCET application form 2024, DCET admit card, DCET application fee payment proof, class 10th or SSLC mark sheet and certificate, diploma mark sheet and certificate, 7 years study certificate. So 7 years study certificate means first standard to 7th standard. Countersigned by the concerned BE or DDPI. So this is very important. So what and all Xerox copies you will have, right, that should be attested by BEO or DDPI or any government employee. So that is very important. If it is attested, then only they will consider, guys, or otherwise your documents will get rejected. Make sure you need to carry original documents also. First they will see original documents and then they will take the Xerox set. Recent passport size photographs, so 2 copies is enough. Income certificate, rural study certificate, caste certificate, Kannada medium certificate if you have studied in Kannada medium from class 1 to 10th, parent study certificate or parents hometown certificate or parent domicile certificate. So you can carry your parents Aadhaar card, that is more than enough, guys. Identity card issues by the deputy commissioner or district rehabilitation commissioner for the candidates claiming eligibility for government seats under Jammu and Kashmir migrant quota. So if your category comes under Jammu and Kashmiri migrants quota, then you have to carry this identity card issued by the deputy commissioner. So I think all your doubts are clear now. So make sure you have 3 sets. 2 sets are enough, but 3 sets. One you will give while document verification, one you should give to college, and one you keep yourself for your future reference. I think you are clear now. And guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and try to share this video as much as possible so that your friends also get to know about this document verification. So let us discuss some important FAQs regarding DCET 2024. So some questions you will be having in your mind. So that and all we'll discuss. So document verification date. So as I told earlier, it's already started 2nd July 2024. How many sets do we have to have for document verification? So as I told, 2 sets are enough, but have 3 sets. It will be helpful for you for your future reference. One set you can give to college, and 1 set you can give while document verification. Is attestation compulsory? Yes, attestation is very important. Then only your documents they will take, both college also and well document verification also. And who can do attestation of documents in Karnataka? So BEO or DDPI or any government employee, like you can go to veterinary hospital also, you can take seal and signature from them also. So this is very important. Option entry. So when you can expect option entry? So most probably this month only it might start, or next month, July or August 2024. So mock allotment also same, July or August 2024. So modify, delete and rearrange option again same, July, August 2024. So once option entry start, this mock allotment, modify, delete, everything will happen, guys. Then down 1 seat allotment result same, July or August this month only I think it will happen most probably. Display of seat matrix. So before this option entry you will get the this seat matrix, so you will get to know so in which college how many seats are available, like that. So by seeing that seat matrix you can get to know which college I can put for option entry, like that. So selection of choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 or choice 4, July or August 2024. So we will share you a detailed video on this choice entry. So make sure you watch that video. Now just have some idea, like choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4 is after option entry, like that. We will explain you detail in our next videos. Rearrange of options August or September 2024. So after first round there will be a second round. So you can't add the colleges. Once college is added, it's final. Then for second round just you can rearrange. Then round 2 seat allotment results, so August or September, most probably next month it will finish. Aided fees. So aided fees is 15,000. So aided is nothing but government college quota. So if example, if you join in RV college through aided seat, so you have to pay just 15,000. And if you join as unaided fees, 63,000. So every year this fees will get vary, guys. It's not like aided means you'll be in government quota like that. No, just you will get less fees for aided. But you have to pay the college fees same. So what unaided aided will pay. So example, aided seat 15,000 and this college fees 45,000 means it will be 60,000. So unaided fees means 63 plus 45 like 1,10,000. It will be a college fees like that. Still, if you have any doubt regarding this unaided aided, you comment in the comment box. I will try to answer your doubt, guys. So this is all about our today's video, and guys, try to share this video as much as possible to your friends so that they can get to know about this document verification. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. So as I told, in our future videos you will get to know how to do the option entry, and I will explain you about choice entry also. So I think you all are clear now. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned.